The Maharashtra Energy Development Agency has issued an expression of interest approximately 86 watt. To discover a tariff to implement 10 megawatt grid-connected rooftop solar photovoltaic systems capacity on government buildings at various locations in Maharashtra. The rooftop solar power plants would be set up under the Renewable Energy Service Company 2BA mode and awarded to developers on a first-come, first-served basis. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited has invited bids for the supply of 10.27 million approximately 86 W monocrystalline passivated emitter and rear contact solar cells with a wattage output of capacity 5.38 W. The cells should be 5 busbars in length and 158.75 plus 0.5 by 158.75 plus 0.5 in dimension. The Eon A thickness of the cells should be 200 plus 20 microns. The diagonal variation of the solar cells should not be more than 0.5 millimeters. The last date to submit the bids is July 15, 2022. Bids will be opened on the same day. State-run Solar Energy Corporation of India has floated bids for procuring 1,680 megawatt peak capacity of domestically produced solar photovoltaic modules and cells. The last date for submitting bids is July 29 and the tender will be opened on the same day. The total capacity of 1680 MWP is proposed to be awarded to multiple bidders in single or double packages. The PV modules including mandatory spares will have to be supplied in phases during the delivery window from July 1, 2023, till March 31, 2024. The Electricity Board of Gujarat in India has opened a competitive solicitation for renewable energy paired with energy storage systems to bring electricity to off-grid villages in the state. Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited is Gujarat's state-owned utility responsible administering the bulk sale and purchase of power on behalf of its government's reorganization scheme. NTPC Renewable Energy Limited has invited domestic bids for up to 200 megawatts of STU grid-connected solar projects anywhere in Madhya Pradesh. The prospective contractor will handle the design, engineering, supply, installation, and commissioning of the solar plant. It will also provide 3 years of operation and maintenance services. The contractor will identify, acquire and transfer the ownership or lease of encumbrance-free land in favor of NTPC RE Limited. Arranging grid connectivity at the STU substation also falls under its scope.